Hi everyone, welcome back to Valley View Flower Farm. We're in Scotland and that's the beautiful yellow gorse you can see behind me. It's stunning. Dunrobin Castle is the most northerly of Scotland's great houses and the largest in the Northern Highlands with 189 rooms. The castle dates back to the early 1300s and is home to the Earls and later the Dukes of Sutherland. What I like most about the castle is the fact that everything inside, the portraits, the decorations, the cutlery and crockery is all that is used by the past Sutherlands and the current Sutherlands. And it's all there on display for everyone to see, with a lot of the rooms being open. Some of the intricate details, such as the carving work around this marble fireplace, are just stunning and can't be captured properly on film. I also like how every room is set up to entertain, with cutlery laid out and fresh flowers placed in all the rooms, the dining rooms, and sometimes in little nooks and crannies around the castle. I particularly enjoy the vases of flowers, all which are created by the staff at Dunrobin Castle and feature flowers from the gardens themselves. The tulips were absolutely stunning, as were each arrangement in all the rooms. The castle has everything you could imagine, with rich tapestries and portraits and furniture, and it's all there for you to see. It really is worth seeing if you're ever in northern Scotland. Another thing I really loved about the castle is a lot of the windows looked out upon the garden. It's stunning. All the flowers in the rooms are out of the garden. Beautiful. The detail in this bedroom is absolutely amazing. Another tulip arrangement. This is the garden taken from the castle parapet. These are the clipped white beams on the area where we just had the falconry show display.
I've been doing falconry since the age of 12 and I'm 59. Now you're a bit older. I'm 59 now and I'm starting to get good at it.
It's early spring, so obviously there's not a lot on show, but just the way the gardens have been set out is magnificent. The gardens were laid out in 1850 by the architect Sir Charles Barry. This is the main parterre and fountain. This is the Duchess border. The daffodils have all finished in this part of the garden and the tulips are currently in flower. This part of the garden is called the Grove. My style of gardening is not formal, but I do really enjoy the formality of this garden design. This parterre is beautiful. These tulips. The way they've pruned the crab apples like this, they're just beautiful. It brings the flowers down to size. These tulips are massive. Alliums are just about to come out into flower. Everything in this garden has such a dramatic backdrop. Always the eye is drawn back to the beautiful castle that sits above it. You can see how they've trained the crab apples along the low wires. Just along here.
Start off a bit small, then you
Can't you just imagine these borders in late spring, summer and even autumn? Just magical. These long borders are just about to go into flower. You can see some peonies there with buds. This is a gunnera, a native to South America, a very impressive perennial. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my little tour of Dunrobin Castle. See you in the next video. Bye.